Hi everyone, today I'll be making a easy quick weeknight dinner recipe ideas. So let's start with the marination. This is tandoori masala. Actually, I did wash the fish and keep it in salt and lemon water for few minutes, 15 minutes. Then I wash it off and then started this marination. And the warning is this marination is for those who like a very light flavored fish, not too spicy, because I keep everything chopped so that I don't want to eat all the spices. I just want the flavor to get into the fish. This meal will be ideal when you don't want to eat a lot of curry, gravy, or a heavy meal. Sometimes we want to eat this simple thing like salad and fish fry. You can go for this recipe that day. And if you like more spicier the taste should come, then you need to grind all the masalas, the onion, ginger and coriander and garlic, make a paste, and then you can marinate with that way everything you have to consume, and if you chop it you will just get the flavor and a bit of taste of it. After testing the recipe, I can recommend you to add 1 teaspoon of tandoori masala more to the recipe. That way even the taste will be little richer, but for my taste bud it was okay. It was perfect for a light weeknight meal.